Hi, here's Mikhail Kaczmarek. Today I would like to present you one of our realizations with curtains for slope windows. We'll show you how the solution works in this case and how our customers use it on everyday basis. So we will start from the guest room. Here we have the curtains are divided into parts. We have like moving part, which covers the window, and the stationary part, which fulfills the window wall. This solution was needed there because the slope ended like on the right side of the window, and we have like maybe 30 centimeters to cover, but in this case it looks great, and I really like it. The curtains they go up when the window is uncovered, like as you see, and then they are parked like 1.5 centimeters from the floor. This is my favorite type of solution. It's the cleanest one. Is the most effective and looks so great. And moreover, I will tell you about the here. I will tell you about the fabric which was used to make the curtains. It is made out of fabric, which is a composition of the polyester and linen. This type of fabric is the best for the slope windows because it's really soft, and even when the curtains lie on the floor, it still has no folds, and even if there are some folds, the curtains look more natural. Like the linen fabrics look always great when they are folded. So yeah, let's move to the other room. Now we are in the children's room. Here the curtains are parked on the top of the window. As I said previously, this is my favorite solution, but here we have no stationary part, like no straight part. The curtains here, like the great color of the fabric fits well to powder pink on the wall. And yeah, we'll show you how it works, because this is, as I said, this is the cleanest solution and the most effective one. Now we are in the master bedroom. Here again, the curtains are divided into halves, but in this case the stationary part is the straight part is on the top of the window, and the functional part is on the lower end of the window. The curtains here lay on the floor, like they look pretty well with the carpet in the room, the really soft one, and I really like the composition of the colors in this room.